Good afternoon, gentlemen. It is May 28th here at KIT Iizuka. This is class number 7 for English 8D. Everybody's here, so I'm going to make this video not too long, but I will try to explain what happened last week. Last week, basically, Mr. Kuba was the only one here, so I thought we could take this Quizlet material and move that to the conversation test day. That way, everyone can take advantage of being here at the same time, because I know you're all going to be here because it's a test day next week. And this week's materials will stay the same. But this material here, Quizlet material, units 5 and 6, we're going to do that next week. Okay? I mentioned this, I think, before. After the test, June 4th, the next class we'll have after that is June 18th. So there's no class on June 11th. That's a class holiday for the university. Okay? But next week is the conversation test. Okay? And I'll explain a lot more about this after this video because there's no great need to put it on the video. I would have if there was somebody who didn't come, but I'll explain this to you guys specifically after I'm done this video. But it is the test next week, so please make sure that you come. If you can't come, well, at least contact me if you can't come. But next week is going to be the test, and I'll tell you all about what we're going to do after this video is done. Let's see. I think that's all that I needed to mention. So it's a conversation test. You don't need your computer, but you have to be ready to speak. Otherwise, let's see. Try to come on time, and then we can get that conversation test done quickly. Okay? If you have any questions about anything, you can contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, please come talk to me in class. Let's have a good class, everyone.